Good morning from Kansas City. We've had breakfast. Again, ate far too much. We leave KC today and we're heading to a town called Lamar. And the reason why we're going to Lamar is because we are going to a post-wedding celebration for Laura and Sterling. So we've got a bit of travelling to do today, and then we have a lot of fun and celebrations tonight. And did I also say it's warm here? I'm sure I did. Welcome to Lamar.
Both had that look neither one could resist, and they sealed up their love with that very first kiss. Now hand in hand they will walk through life and tackle all things as husband and wife. And Laura, remember, us boys can be messy. He may get on your nerves and make you a bit fussy. Don't go to bed mad. Say I love you a lot. Say he looks handsome. Say she looks hot. And say her dinner is great, even though it was not. Open her door, pull out her chair, hold your heads up when life isn't fair. Keep the Lord close in both of your hearts, and he'll keep blessing your marriage, and he'll do his part. Stick together through the thick and the thin. Be each other's partners, lovers, and always best friends.
The celebrations and dancing continued into the night. Laura and Sterling had fun with the dollar dance. It was then time to throw the groom into the pool. Sterling's brother helped him with the honours. And it wasn't long before Laura and family also ended up soaked. We also got to view and capture the moon with the largest telescope we'd ever seen. The following day, we relaxed by the pool under the Missouri sunshine.